Let's say you have a big interview coming up with a great new company, or you're giving a presentation in front of the senior team. Maybe you simply want to show up a little bit better on Zoom and be taken a little more seriously. In this video, I'll share 3 things you can do that will level up your on-camera presentation, whether it's on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Facebook Live, or whatever platform you're showing up on. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl, the founder of Master Video Today. It's a community that offers training, accountability, and support for your marketing teams. Subscribe to this channel for video strategies you can use in your business right now. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon and you won't miss a thing. I have a question. What challenges do you currently face when sitting in front of the camera? Is it knowing where to look, trying to figure out what to say? Are you just trying to feel more comfortable on video? Let's have a conversation in the comments. If you would like a simple guide that takes you step by step to get started with your video equipment setup, your studio design, your lighting, I'll tell you how you can get my Getting Started with Video guide at the end of this video. The other day, I got a call from a friend who told me she wanted to show up better on camera. In fact, she was so specific. She wants to appear like she loves being on camera. She wants to create YouTube videos and send those videos to clients. This could be something that you're trying to do as well, and if that's you, I wanted to share 3 things that you can do that will make your on-camera presentation better. Number 1, and probably the most important, is to increase your energy to the point where you may feel uncomfortable, at least until you start to get used to it. The camera will flatten you out, and by you putting out more energy into your presentation, by smiling, by sitting on the edge of your seat, and really getting into your performance, your audience will feel that you are more engaged and will engage with you. This is a skill that took me a really long time to learn, and I encourage you to practice. It takes some time, so be ready to put in a little work. Shoot videos of yourself on your phone. Have your kids or your best friend take videos of you and watch what you have recorded. The reason why this is so important is if you're putting energy into your videos and your audience can feel that energy, they'll be more inclined to stick around to hear what else you have to say because they know you care about your topic. Number 2, make sure you're looking in the right place. This is about creating a connection. If you're talking to your audience in your video and you want to create that connection, the best way to do that is to look at them. Look into the camera and it will appear as if you're looking at them. Test it out. Sometimes it's hard to tell where to look, so shoot a couple of videos where you're looking at where you think the camera is and watch that video back. Are you looking in the right place? I know it can be hard to focus on a camera lens and pretend that a live audience is waiting on the other side. Here is a little trick. Place a picture on the other side of the camera lens, or you can sit your best friend or your spouse on the other side of the camera so you feel as if you're talking to that person. I remember when I was first anchoring the news, I would pretend my mom was on the other side of the camera and that I was talking directly to her. It really helped. Try that out and let me know how that feels. And finally, something you may not think about until it's too late, it's so important though, it's to shoot your videos in a quiet place. You can bring all the energy in the world and look into the right place. If people can't hear you, they'll find another video to watch. If you're in a quiet location and sitting close enough to your phone or camera, you'll probably sound fine. But if you're outside or in a place with a lot of background noise, move to a quieter place. I don't think you need to buy equipment when you're just starting out with video, but when you're ready to level up, my number 1 recommendation for equipment is a microphone. You can get a list of my top picks in my Getting Started with Video guide, which you can get a link to in the description below. To recap, if you want to look and sound better on Zoom, smile and increase your energy while presenting. Look in the right place and make sure you're recording in a quiet location. Do you want more tips on how to present better on camera? Check out this video next.